Another product announcement. Just wanted to do a quick video on these little bulkhead fittings. They're liquid resistant bulkhead fittings, and I get a few questions on these. Basically, I use them on water tanks mostly. That way you can drop the pump inside. If you're using like the roll pump, you can just drop it inside, run pretty heavy gauge wires. All these wires here, I believe, are either 12 or 10 gauge, and they fit comfortably through there. I mean, you definitely probably even get another wire in there on all these, for sure this big one. So they come in, this is going to be called the metal large, and this is the plastic large, and then the plastic extra large. They all are O-ringed on the back, or come with a rubber washer. These guys I've used with E, and I haven't had any problems. So but there's no tech data that comes with these, so I don't really know. They look like they're nylon, and that would make sense. So basically just drill a hole in the bulkhead, stick this guy through, put the nut on the other side. It gives you a water resistant sill. So what I like to do is put these guys up above where they're going to be sitting in water, and that seems to work out pretty well. I wouldn't put them I wouldn't think to myself this would be a good idea to put this at the bottom of a water tank and run wires through it, or a gas tank or whatever. That's probably asking a bit much. But that's them. They're the water resistant bulkhead fittings. They're sold each, and I hope that answers any of y'all's questions.